To get your kids started on the game, you need to 1. Sign up for a parent account. 2. Add your child. Here you have two options. Click Create New Child Account if your child does not have an existing school Boddle account. If they do, click Link Existing Child Account. This will prompt you to enter their username and password. If you are adding a new child account, enter their first name and last initial. The username is optional. If you don't put one in, one will be generated for you. Then, select the grade you would like to assign and click Create. And that's it! Your child is all set up on the parent platform. Now, head to play.bottleLearning.com or click on the Play the Game button on the top right corner of the website. A web-based game will start loading, which might take a short while for the first time, but it'll be worth the wait. Boddle is super fun. Once a login screen pops up, students follow the sign-in instructions and the game starts. Kids will need to first create their cute little Boddle characters. As soon as they finalize their look, a short tutorial led by our Boddle male cat runs them through how Boddle is played.
Hi there, Boddle! That was a pretty good landing for a first-timer!
As soon as the tutorial is done, practice questions that adapt to the learner's level get delivered to them. Any assignments sent to students through the parent platform will take priority until they've completed the assignments. For more video support and guides on adding assignments and more, check out our support page.